Well, this is one of the most beautiful shots I can get of the mountain. And to the right is the ski club. And then there's Fanthams Peak. Syme Hut is where I'm going to for tonight. But beautiful day. Wow, the weather's really clagged in. I'm on Mount Taranaki. So anyway, I just wanted to show you, this is how you walk up scree. You dig your shoes in. So I'm going to Syme Hut and it's on Fanthams Peak. That's Fanthams Peak and still a bit of a whiteout, and the hut's over there. A video of Syme Hut, built in the 1930s. A bit messy at the moment, but that shows the building. And yeah, so no fireplace, just as well, probably burned down. And then there's this good area for poles and stuff. And the views are outside. There we go. Views are amazing. Fanthams Peak, and that's the outside. This is the view, Mount Taranaki. I might come out later. It's a bit windy and it's cold. And this is the Syme Hut. That is the toilet. And that must be Fanthams Peak there. That's at 1,925 metres. So, in one day, you're doing about 1,700 metres. But I'm doing round the mountain. I've climbed Mount Taranaki twice, and I've never done round the mountain. Sunrise above Mount Ruapehu. Woohoo! Hello. And also look at the top of Mount Taranaki. The shadow of Mount Taranaki. And Syme Hut. Fanthams Peak. Amazing. Syme Hut. Taranaki. The twin sisters on the left and Shark's Tooth on the right. And then Mount Ruapehu, New Plymouth. And that's the Fan's Tail. I'm going to video me going down the scree with one pole. I mean, it really is easy. Just go in the shingle and use your poles to control where you're going. Woohoo! I have never seen anything this beautiful in a long time. Wow, look at it. I'm just amazed. I'm tired. Haven't got time to take a lot of videos. I've been hiking since 7 a.m. and it's almost 3 a.m. So here we go. Here's the rest of it. and Bracken Ridge. Track goes all the way down there. I don't normally take a lot of photos or videos. This is Bracken Ridge. Look at it. Look at the moss on all of the stones. I'm just amazed. And cliffs there. Bracken Ridge down there. Whew, bit of a climb. Waiaua Gorge. It's beautiful. So there's no markers on this track. You have to watch out for them. And it's overgrown, and a track should have markers. That's what a track is, Doc.